Hello and welcome to Con Varsity. I bet you didn't know how crucial the Cantilever Container Crane C50 is to modern logistics. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the Cantilever Container Crane C50, an engineering marvel that plays a pivotal role in modern logistics. This workhorse is a crucial part of many operations, moving those big containers around like they're building blocks. It's designed to handle the heaviest loads with precision and efficiency, making it indispensable in ports around the world. But operating heavy machinery is no child's play. It requires a deep understanding of the equipment, a keen eye for detail, and a commitment to safety protocols. It takes skill, knowledge, and a whole lot of respect for safety. Operators undergo rigorous training to ensure they can handle the crane safely and efficiently. This guide will take you through everything you need to know about the C50, from pre-start checks to safe shutdown procedures. We'll cover the essential maintenance routines that keep the crane in top condition and the troubleshooting tips for common issues. We'll break down complex operations into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Whether you're a seasoned operator or a newcomer, our guide will help you master the C50's controls and functions. Remember, safety always comes first. Proper safety gear, adherence to guidelines, and constant vigilance are key to preventing accidents. Let's get started on this journey to becoming proficient with the Cantilever Container Crane C50. Before you even think about firing up the C50, you gotta give it a good once-over. This isn't just a quick glance, it's a thorough inspection that ensures everything is in top shape. Start by walking around the crane, taking note of any visible issues. Look at the exterior, the structure, and the overall condition. This initial check can help you spot any glaring problems right away. This is like checking your mirrors before driving. It could save you from a world of trouble. Just as you wouldn't drive a car without making sure you can see clearly, you shouldn't operate a crane without ensuring everything is in order. Safety is paramount, and these checks are your first line of defense against potential hazards. Look for any leaks, cracks, or loose parts. These might seem like minor issues, but they can lead to significant problems if left unchecked. Leaks can indicate issues with hydraulic systems, while cracks and loose parts can compromise the structural integrity of the crane. Take your time to inspect every component carefully. Check your fluid levels, oil, hydraulic fluid, the works. These fluids are the lifeblood of your crane, ensuring smooth and efficient operation. Low levels can lead to malfunctions and even damage the machinery. Make sure everything is topped up and at the correct levels. This step is crucial for maintaining the longevity and performance of your equipment. Inspect your cables for any signs of wear and tear. Cables are essential for the crane's lifting operations, and any damage can lead to catastrophic failures. Look for fraying, kinks, or any other signs of deterioration. If you spot any issues, address them immediately to prevent accidents and ensure the crane operates safely. Make sure all the safety devices are in place and functioning properly. Safety devices are your last line of defense in case something goes wrong. Test each one to ensure they are operational. This includes emergency stop buttons, alarms, and any other safety features your crane is equipped with. A well-maintained crane is a safe crane, and these checks are vital for protecting both the operator and the worksite. Now that the C50 has a clean bill of health, it's time to set it up for operation. This involves positioning the crane correctly, stabilizing it, and ensuring a clear path for lifting and moving containers. Deploy the outriggers to provide a stable base for the crane. Adjust the spreader to fit the size of the container you'll be lifting. Double-check your surroundings for any obstacles or hazards. Lifting heavy containers is a delicate operation that requires careful planning. You need to know the weight of the load, the lifting capacity of the crane, and the path you'll be taking. Use a load chart to determine if the C50 can safely handle the weight. Plan your route, taking into account any obstacles or uneven terrain. Communication is key. Make sure everyone involved in the operation is on the same page. Section 5. Smooth operator. Lifting, moving, and placing your load. Now comes the moment of truth. Operating the crane. Use smooth, controlled movements to lift the container. Avoid jerky motions that could destabilize the load. Once the container is clear of the ground, move it slowly and carefully along your planned route. When placing the container, lower it gently to avoid any damage. Always maintain a safe distance from the load. Section 6. Winding down. Securing the C50 after a hard day's work. After a long day of moving containers, it's time to park and secure the C50. Find a level surface and lower the outriggers. Retract the boom and secure the hook. Engage all parking brakes and ensure the crane is stable. Turn off the engine and remove the key. Finally, complete any necessary documentation and log the crane's usage. Section 7. Keeping it running maintenance musts for your crane. Just like any piece of machinery, the C50 needs regular maintenance to stay in top shape. This includes routine inspections, lubrication, and replacing worn-out parts. Follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. Pay close attention to critical components like the engine, brakes, and hydraulic system. Regularly inspect the crane's structure for any signs of damage. Section 8. Safety first, last, and always. Protecting yourself and your crew. Operating heavy machinery like the C50 comes with inherent risks. That's why safety should always be your top priority. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment or PPE at all times. Never exceed the crane's lifting capacity. Be aware of your surroundings and keep a safe distance from the load. Communicate clearly with your crew and follow all established safety procedures. Section 9. Troubleshooting tips: what to do when things go wrong. Even with the best care, things can sometimes go wrong. Knowing how to troubleshoot common problems can save you time and prevent further damage. Familiarize yourself with the crane's warning signals and error codes. If you encounter a problem, refer to the operation manual for troubleshooting steps. If you're unsure about anything, don't hesitate to contact a qualified technician. Section 10. Wrapping it up. Mastering the C50 for a safer, more productive you. Operating the cantilever container. Crane C50 is a demanding job that requires skill, knowledge, and a strong commitment to safety. This crane is a marvel of modern engineering, designed to handle heavy loads with precision and efficiency. However, with great power comes great responsibility. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can become a proficient and safe crane operator. This guide has covered everything from the basics of crane operation to advanced techniques for handling complex tasks. It has also emphasized the importance of regular maintenance and safety checks to ensure the crane operates smoothly and safely. Remember, there's always more to learn. Continuously improve your skills by attending training sessions and workshops. These opportunities not only enhance your technical abilities but also keep you updated on the latest industry standards and safety protocols. Stay updated on safety regulations. The world of crane operation is constantly evolving, with new safety guidelines and regulations being introduced regularly. Make it a habit to review these guidelines and incorporate them into your daily routine, and never hesitate to ask for help when needed. Whether you're a seasoned operator or a newcomer, there will always be situations where you need assistance. Don't be afraid to reach out to your colleagues or supervisors for guidance. Collaboration and communication are key to a safe and efficient work environment. Stay safe out there, and keep those containers moving. Your role as a crane operator is crucial to the smooth operation of the port. By mastering the C50 and adhering to safety protocols, you contribute to a safer, more productive workplace. Thank you for your dedication and hard work. Please subscribe to the Con eVarsity YouTube channel for more informative content. Like and share this video to help others master the C50 crane. Thank you.